I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so you don't chase ghosts. First, confirm the exact document ID or path and that you are pointed at the right repo or version. Mismatches cause most lookup failures. Next, make sure your account has read or list permissions for that resource. Once done, test basic connectivity to the service endpoint and DNS resolution. If any check fails, fix that specific gap before continuing, because deeper debugging depends on these foundations. You should now dig into diagnostics to find the root cause. Pull service logs around the failure timestamp and capture request ID. Logs often show malformed requests or permission denials. Validate that your request headers, auth tokens, and API schema match the current spec. Tokens can expire or scopes change. Reproduce the call with curl or postman to separate client-side bugs from server issues. If you see 4xx errors, fix the request. If you see 5xx, escalate with finish by applying the targeted fixes and running the full lookup end-to-end. Confirm successful retrieval and propagate changes to dependent systems. If the problem started after a deployment, roll back selectively or deploy a hotfix and validate again. Make sure to clear caches or update indices if the system uses them. As a key troubleshooting tip, enable verbose or debug logging temporarily to capture full request and response traces. These traces often reveal header mismatches, token issues, or internal routing problems that are otherwise invisible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.